Let's try it, okay?
Okay.
Let's go to the transaction where we said, I'm just going to give you an opportunity to take a screenshot. We have got DJ here, né?
Yes.
Number 2.
On this.
We're going to record number 2, where we sold trading inventory, 30 items each, excluding VAT to Dali on credit, the markup, you know. So I want us to analyze before we go and record. Firstly, we don't know the total, but we can easily calculate here.
Okay.
How much are the 30 items?
30 times 300.
9,000?
Yes, 9,000.
Okay. So that is 9,000. We know already there.
Yes.
Let's analyze this markup.
So BCP cost price on 100.
How much? Okay. MP.
Markup on 35%. CP 135.
Thank you. So now we analyze everything there, and we know that VAT is not included, né?
Exclusive.
Yes. So let's know the information. I know invoice number is CI30 or CL. I think it's CL. It's CI.
Yes,
Yeah.
CL. CI.
CI is a capital letter. It's okay. And then the date is the second. I'll come here and say CI30. Is it visible from your side?
Yes, I can see it.
And the date is the second. What is the name of that guy? Can you see here? The name is D.
D Dali.
D. Dali. Now, this folio, remember we've not been using folio. This one is the folio that is very much important, okay?
Okay.
Meaning we must ask ourselves, who is D Dali to us? Who is he to us?
He is
Just
a
check the
debtor.
heading of it. It's a debt, né? So
Debtor.
just write D1. That's all we need.
Oh,
That's
okay.
number 1. Okay. Now, help me please. Which one is the main account here?
Debtors control.
It's the main account. So what must I write here? Including or excluding VAT?
Including VAT.
Okay. What about the sales?
Excluding VAT.
Thank you. What about the cost of sales?
Excluding VAT.
Thank you. Can you see it's similar to what we did?
Yes.
Yes. So now the amount given to us, we have got 9,000. Where do you think I must record 9,000? Tell me which column.
The sales.
The sales. Because it's excluding VAT.
Excluding VAT.
Okay. What is the next step now?
To calculate the cost price.
No. Remember, cost price we said, we agreed, is the last thing we calculate, always. Otherwise, we're going to get confused.
So then we calculate the 9,000 including
Which,
VAT.
which, okay, you like that? Okay, you like complicating things? Do it. Okay, no problem. As long as you get the right answer. I thought you will follow the simple steps. Okay, do it. Do it so that I can see how you can do it.
So 9,000 times 15% over 100.
Okay, but you just calculated VAT first, so you should have said, let's calculate VAT. But I understand where you are going because you meant you want to include VAT, but
Yes.
first you must calculate VAT. So that's what I wanted.
Okay, calculate VAT first.
Yeah, VAT first, yes. How much is it?
It's 1,350.
350.
Yes.
Okay. What is the next step?
Then you no, it's you add.
Okay.
You add 9,000 plus 350, 1,350.
Mhm.
It's 10,350.
Perfect. I like that. You see, being careful is very careful. It's very important. So you need to make sure that you you check what is given first. Can you see what is given will give you the go ahead?
Yes.
Okay, now you can calculate our cost of sales. Let's see how can you do approach that.
Okay, so we are given 9,000. So it will
Okay.
go by the CP.
Okay, you said here must come and put the amount on the CP. Okay, let me do this. You said CP. I must put
It's
some 9,000
9,000
where? On what?
on cost price.
9,000
Yes, 9,000.
on the cost price.
It says they said on cost price.
Wait, I can't see it. Which 9,000 are you talking about? Talk to me. Talk to me.
Wait, say the 9,000
I'm
that we calculated now
mm-hmm. This one.
of the 30. Yes. Yeah, under
So
sales. I guess
I,
9,000.
on sales.
Yes, it's 9,000.
Ah, that's why because I was surprised you said I must save costs. That's why I said, "Hey, come on, it can't be," because already we know that it's we have it. It's the selling price, and then question mark.
Question mark is on the cost price.
Thank you. Okay, how will the
So then,
calculation look like?
so you're gonna say 9,000
Mm-hmm.
multiply by
Mm-hmm.
35 over no, wait. No, yes, 9,000 times 35 over 100.
What are you looking for?
So it's gonna be 9,000. Hello, so can you hear me?
Yes.
So it will be 9,000 times 100 over 135.
Thank you so much for coming back. Because I was waiting. Why 35? Because if I put 35, it means I'm looking for it. I'm not looking for 35.
Then the amount is 6,666,67.
Thank you. Look at it, please make sure that you will never ever forget this one. Yes, I'm impressed, but just look at it and tell me that no, you are seeing the light.
I am seeing the lights at the end of the tunnel.
I like that. So one step at a time, remember?
Yes.
Yes. If I remember very well, was not the only transaction where we said DJ. You've got another one here.
Yes. On the
On the
20th.
on the 20th, we've got Mohammed here, and then we have got 40,000 here, and we've got markup of what 35% on cost, and we've got CI 31.
Yes.
So you need to go there, CI 31 on the 20th. On the 20th, what's that guy? I forgot him. M.
No, you're
Muhammad.
right. Yes.
What is the folio?
D2.
How much here? Can I put something here? Let's check the amount.
40,000.
40,000. Yes. What is the next step?
We're gonna calculate VAT.
Okay.
So you're gonna say 40,000 times 15% over 100. Is it including
Well,
VAT? Wait, hold. Can you
mhm.
go down to the question? Is it including or excluding? Okay, so it doesn't say if it's exclusive VAT. So it's
So
including VAT.
perfect.
So it's gonna be 40,000 times 15% over 115.
Okay.
Then it's 5,217,39.
Thank you. Next step.
Next step is to calculate sales.
Thank you. How can we calculate that?
We subtract 40,000 and 5,000.
Yeah.
It is 34,782,61.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Thank you. Next step.
And we calculate cost of sales. So it was at 35%, I think,
Mm-hmm. On cost.
on cost.
Okay. Let's analyze it. The same way here. Ne?
Yes.
So it is
Um.
35%.
So then we're gonna take the 34,782
Times.
multiply by 100 over 135. That is 25,764,44.
Perfect. I like this.
Okay, let's just take a picture. No, I'll take the picture after everything. It's fine.
On the
Okay.
22nd, we have got another one.
On the 22nd,
Let's highlight here. Elsing.
yes, I'll sing
Okay.
cost price and markup on cost.
Mm-hmm. Okay, on the 22nd, CI.
CL32 on the 22nd.
Folio.
D3.
Okay. The amount is 15,000.
Excluding VAT. So it's gonna go under the sales column.
Including VAT, ne?
Yes, excluding VAT.
Under sales.
Yes, under the sales column.
Just read that 15,000 carefully. What is that 15,000?
It is cost price.
So I can't put it under sales.
Okay.
What will I record it?
You would put it
Which column here?
debtors control.
Let's go back on the 22nd. What is that 15,000 called?
Cost of sales.
Cost of sales. So where will I record this
Because
15,000?
under cost of sales.
Can you see? So now we start. Can you see now? They force us to start here to there.
Okay.
With cost of sales, which column here do you think I can calculate first?
The output VAT first.
Never. The output VAT can never be calculated on cost of sales. So let's say, for example, when we were calculating the output VAT, were we using cost to calculate this amount?
No.
No.
So you need to
Cost of sales
calculate
will never be.
sales.
It's either we use for VAT, we either use sales or what? Remember, debtors control.
Debtors control. Yes.
So we never just write it down for future. You can't calculate VAT on the cost of sales. The VAT is either calculated on the sales if it's given or on the debtors control if the amount is given. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Cost of sales, if they give you cost of sales first, the next thing that you can calculate, you must calculate sales. Remember when we were calculating cost of sales, we were using sales. Remember?
Yes. Yes.
So for you to find cost of sales, you use sales. For you to find sales, you use cost of sales. Are we together?
Yes.
Now, how much is the markup?
So you'll take the 15,000.
Mm-hmm. Don't we have to analyze?
Yes, because we're doing the calculation markup on cost
Yeah.
of 25.
Mm-hmm. Yes. So okay, just the way
So
you
you're gonna
put it,
use the
you can put.
formula.
Tell me which formula?
Um. So we are looking for So the 15,000 will go under CP.
But we didn't analyze here.
So it's the MP is gonna be 25%.
Okay.
And then it's gonna be 125.
Okay.
And then the question mark is gonna go by the CP. No, by the SP, because we're looking for the sales amount.
Okay.
And then the CP is the 15%.
15%.
I mean 15,000. 15,000.
Yeah. 15,000.
So then you're gonna take the 15,000, multiply multiply by 100. Multiply by 125 divided by 100,
Perfect.
which is then 18,750.
Okay, so far?
Yes.
Okay. Next, what do you think can calculate?
Um, we can calculate the output VAT.
Okay.
So then you're gonna take the 18,750
Mm-hmm.
times 15% over 115. Is it excluding VAT or inclusive?
Check the column name on top.
Including VAT, so it's gonna be 115.
Where do you see it including VAT?
Or
Check this.
inclusive VAT.
Check here. What is this?
Exclusive VAT.
Yes. So,
It's gonna be 15 over 100.
okay.
So the amount is 2,812.50.
Thank you.
And then you're gonna add the amounts
Okay.
of 2,812.50 plus 18,750, which will give
Yes.
you 21,562.50 under the debtors control.
Perfect. The importance of knowing what they gave you first, with whatever they gave you, what is it possible that I can calculate now? Does that make sense?
Yes.
Because other things are impossible to calculate depending on what I have. Like in this case, they gave me what? 15,000 for
Yes.
cost of sale. It is not possible to calculate output VAT. It's not possible to go and calculate debtors control. The only option or the next step can only be calculation of what?
Sales.
Before I can come and calculate the other columns. So the importance of knowing what did they give me first.
Yes.
Yes. And remember, after this, let's see if you put another one, 20, 30 seconds. Nothing. So remember, usually they will say add. You just have to, and add everything.
Yes.
They ask you to total, né? But I believe you know how to total, okay?
Okay. So the main account will be DR and the rest is CR, except for cost of sales.
Perfect. I like that.
Okay. Which is DR.
Are you okay?
Yes, sir. I'm good.
You see that these journals are similar.
They are similar.
As long as you can know which journal to record in, recording is the same. Even if I can say open DAJ, same procedure. Even if I say open CAJ, same procedure. Even if I can say open PCJ, same procedure. But for me, the journals which can give me some problems, not some, some minor problems, are those journals where we find cost of sales.
Yes.
Name them.
CBR,
Yes.
Debtors Journal,
Yes.
uh, uh, Debtors Allowance Journal.
Yes. Those are the
Yeah,
only
I think
three.
those are the only three. Yes.
Yeah. So if you can mask out those ones, is because of the cost of sales. But others are very straightforward. I'm telling you, CVP, there's no cost of sales there. PCJ, there's no cost of sales there. But I believe in you.
Yes. So, say in the question, how would you analyze if it's a CAJ or if it's a DAJ? The rest I can tell. It's just those two.
CAJ is when these people, can you see the debtors which you sold to before, are returning goods back to you.
Okay.
When a debtor returns goods sold to them on credit back to you. Because in
When a
this journal,
debtor.
DAJ is when debtors return goods back to you. Because here, this debtors journal, here only records
On credit.
is only record. If you don't sell goods on credit, please do not come here. So we only need, can you see this one? We only need goods sold on what? Credit only.
Credit.
If you sell a car, you cannot come here. You sell a building, you cannot come here. You must sell goods. Remember, goods are the same as merchandise, same as
Oh,
trading
yes.
stock, trading investment only. But when debtors return goods sold on credit to them. Record in the DAJ.
DAJ.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
Now, if debtors are retaining, only debtors are retaining, the information will tell record in the DJ. So meaning DAJ is the opposite of this, and you can even see for DAJ, the columns are similar. You still have document number, date, details, folio, debtors control. Here's going to be input value. Okay?
Yeah.
And this one will change to be sales returns.
Oh, okay.
Can you see now?
Yes.
And then cost of sales will remain cost of sales. Only two columns will change. It was DAJ. Only two columns. Only output and sales. Output will become input. Sales will become sales return. But the procedure for recording is the same.
Okay.
Do you understand the relationship between debtors journal and the debtors allowances journal? I couldn't hear.
Yes, sir. I do understand.
Now, let's talk about the creditors journal and the creditors allowances. Remember, in the creditors journal, we record all items bought on credit. Can you see what I said? I said all. Unlike debtors. Debtors, we said, we only record what? For debtors.
Goods sold on credit.
No, you're missing the another important word. I even put it in capital letters there. When did I put it in capital letters? Yes, I did put it in capital letters.
Only goods sold on credit.
This only. But
only goods sold on credit.
But CJ, where am I?
It's bought.
CJ, all of them which have been bought. Everything doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be goods. It can be bicycle, it can be built. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
But when the business returns items bought on credit records in the tell me.
CAJ, Creditors Allowance Journal.
Yes. Will you remember this?
I will say.
Yes. By the way, what is the main column for CJ?
Is creditors control.
What is the main column for CJ?
For CAJ,
yeah,
it's creditors control.
Creditors control.
Yes.
Thank you. Can you see similar to. So again, recording is the same. As long as you can know where to go, hopefully you will remember where to go. Honestly speaking, generals have got a lot of marks in the exam.
Yes, they do.
A lot. Okay, any
So
questions?
so far, sir, after our session, should I do what we have done? So I must take like a past paper and then do what we have done. I must skip other questions.
You must just come again. You must skip other. What I say, I don't understand.
So when I'm saying, let's say, the exam paper for 2023, right?
Yeah.
And there is accounting equation and journals.
Mhm.
Should I do that to see if I understand? And then I must
Yeah,
just
just
skip
do
other
those ones.
questions.
Yeah, just keep whatever we still have to touch, ne? Because you will be
Oh,
confusing
okay.
yourself. And I think that will be better so that when we meet, you can have questions.
Okay. That's fine.
No problem. So yeah, let's just go and rest and then yeah.
Okay, so thank you very much.
No problem.